Hello all. In this video we're going to see another data type which are list. List in Python are ordered sequence that can hold variety of objects and they use square bracket and comma as separators. Since list is an ordered sequence like a string, we can use concepts like indexing and slicing as we used them in strings. And also another important thing, we can use nested list also, so that we will discuss later. First I will create a list. This is the list. So if I print my list now, you will get the elements of the list. Similarly, you can have another list which can have variety of elements, a string, integer, and a floating point. And if you see the element of the list, you can see them here. So this is like a structure in C and C++. So this is as simple as that. We can create anything we want now. And I'm using list one now for easy understanding. So as I said, we can use indexing and slicing as in strings. If you try to print the first element of list 1, we will get that. If you want to slice it starting from second element, which is at index 1, that means I want to print 2 and 3 now. If you run this, you can get the result. And if you want, I will show you some more slicing examples. If you want to print only the digits in odd places, you have to start at 1 and give a step size of 2 and the end address. End index should be 8. So if you need to print 8, you have to give 9. And if you run this, you will see the value at index 2, 4, 6 and 8. So that's it for slicing. Like string concatenation, we can concatenate to list. List equal to list 1 plus list 2. So if you want to print the total list, you will get the combined list of list 1 and the list 2 elements. This is similar to string, but one thing which is unclear is you can add or append or update the value of particular element using the index, which is not possible in string. Total list of 0 equal to, here I want to add 0. So now if you run this, you can see the value in the index 0 is changed now. This is possible only in list, not in string. This you have to note.
So that's it for this year. Meet you in the next video.